Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to do something interesting. We are going to play a game with your favorite Disney characters. Can you guess who are they? Okay, let me tell you. It's Anna and Elsa from Frozen. How many of you like Frozen? Okay, I believe all of you do. Can we begin to play? Yes, let's begin. I hope you all remember the story of the Frozen movie. Still, I would love to tell you it again. Anna and Elsa are sisters and they're very close to each other. Anna is an younger sister. Elsa is the elder one. Elsa had a magic power. Once, Anna got hurt by Elsa's magic. Anna was so afraid of it. So, by seeing Anna hurt by Elsa, Elsa ran away from the house. Kids, can we help Elsa to overcome her fear? Yes? Okay then. Let me introduce another character, Hans. Hans can help us or he might hurt us. We have 10 levels to help Elsa. So, shall we play the game to help Elsa to overcome her fear and make Hannah and Elsa a close sister again? Yes, let's begin. Welcome to level 1 kids. The question is, Winnie the Pooh bought 4 apple pies. Iro bought 6 cheesecakes. They each paid the same and together they paid 24 euros. How many euros does one cheesecake cost? This is an yummy question. Let's know the options. Option A 2 euros. Option B 12 euros. Option C 4 euros. Option D 6 euros. Option E 10 euros. Let's find out the answer. You would have found out the answer for this question. If not, I will help you. Okay, first from the question we can find out that they paid 24 euros, right? Winnie the Pooh and Euro has paid 24 euros. We also know that they paid same amount of rupees. So first we need to divide 24 euros by 2 because we know that they paid same equal amount of rupees. So we are dividing it by 2. So we get 12 euros each. So each had paid 12 euros. Again, now our question is to find the value of one cheesecake, right? So Iro has bought 6 cheesecakes. So we are dividing 12 by 6. We get 2. So now we have found out that one cheesecake is cost 2 euros, correct? You understood this? And we will also find the value of one apple pie. We have 4 apple pies. Winnie the Pooh has bought 4 apple pies, right? So we will divide 12 by 4 because 12 is the amount he paid. So we are dividing 12 by 4. We get 3. So one apple pie costs 3 euros. Okay. So answer for this question is option A, that is first option 2 euros. one cheesecake cost 2 euros. How many of you got the answer right?
Level 2. The question is, Alex lights a candle every 10 minutes. Each candle burns for 40 minutes and then goes out. How many candles are alight 55 minutes after Alex lit the first candle? And the options are option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5, option E 6. Let's find out the answer to help Elsa.
Second question asks us to find out how many candles will be left out after 55 minutes after the first candle has been lit. Okay, for this let me open this. Okay, so there are 5 candles. So how do I found out there are 5 candles? There is no data that mention 5 candles, right? But what they have said, they said Alex will light a candle for every 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes Alex will light a candle. So after how much time we are going to find out? After 55 minutes. So how many 10 minutes are there in 55 minutes? There are 5 10 minutes in 55 minutes, right? So 5 candles he has lit. So every 10 minutes Alex is lighting up 1 candle. So after 55 minutes there will be 5 candles. Okay, now our question is to find out how many candles will be still lit after 55 minutes. So, and also we should remember the candles will go out after 40 minutes, right? So after 55 minutes, then after the first candle will go off after 40 minutes. That is when we are about to lit the 5th candle, the first candle will be off, will go off. And after 5 minutes, after we lit the 5th candle, 5 minutes later, we count the number of candles. There will be only 4 candles because the first candle would have already been gone. Yeah. Now you understood this question. So the answer for this question is 4.
Level 3. The question is, Anna has 1 5-cent coin, 1 10-cent coin, 1 20-cent coin and 1 50-cent coin. How many different values can she make with these coins? Find out the answer to move to the next level.
Kids, have you found out the answer for this question? If yes, superb. If no, then I will help you. Don't worry. So, Hannah has 1 5-cent coin, right? And 1 10-cent coin, 20 cent, 50 cent. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different coins, right? 4 different coins. So now we have to find how many values we can find by making, by arranging these coins in different ways, right? Different values we can find with these coins, right? So first we already have 4 different values, right? 5, 10, 20, 50 are already different values. Now let's add let's add first 5 plus 10. We will get 15. 5 plus 20, 25. 5 plus 50, 55. So now why should we do this? Because we need to find different values using those 4 numbers. 5, 10, 20, 50 are the 4 numbers. Using these 4 numbers, we are going to find out all the different values that we can make with these 4 numbers. Okay, so that's why we are adding the numbers by first let's start by 2 numbers like 5, 10, 5, 20, 5, 50. No repetitions. You don't have to repeat. So okay, because if we repeat it, we'll again get the same number. So that will not what shall I say? We won't find a correct value, right? We won't find the correct answer if you're going to repeat the same number. So be careful, don't repeat the numbers. Okay, I mean, don't repeat the number in this sense. If you add 5 plus 10, don't do it again like 10 plus 5 because both are same. That is what I meant. Okay, now 5 plus 10, 5 plus 20, 5 plus 50. Next 10 plus 20, 20 plus 50, 10 plus 50. So we have found out around 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 values. Now we'll go for 3 numbers 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 50, 5, 20, 50, 10, 20, 50. So again we have found out another 4 numbers. Here 10 values, here 4 values, together 14 values. And at last let's add all the 4 numbers we got. So another last value. So we get around 15 different values using this 4 numbers. So the answer for this question is 15.
Level 4. The question says, Katie bought 3 identical pencils, 2 identical pens and 2 identical erasers and paid $11.60. Hannah bought 1 pencil, 2 pens and 2 eraser and she paid $8.40. How much does 1 pencil cost? Options are option A $1.20, option B $1.60, option C $1.50, option D $3.20. To find out the answer, you can pause the video, but don't forget we need to complete 10 levels to help Elsa.
Have you done with the answer for 4th question? If yes, good. If no, don't worry. I will help you. Okay? So this question says that Katie bought 3 pencils, 2 pens and 2 eraser for $11.60. And Hannah bought 1 pencil, 2 pens and 2 erasers for $8.40. Okay, so now we have to find out how much does 1 pencil cost. So first let us subtract $11.60 from $8.40. We will subtract $8.40 from $11.60 because we get, when we subtract this, we get $3.02. Okay, why do we subtract it? Do you know why do we subtract this? Because they both have bought a same number of pens and same number of erasers. So we don't want the cost of those things, right? We don't want them. We only want the amount of or the cost of a pencil. Wherein Hannah has bought 1 pencil. Katie has bought 3 pencils. So by subtracting this, we will find the amount of 2 pencils, right? So when we subtract 3 from 1, we will find the amount of 2 pencils. So again we will divide this answer, that is 3.2 by 2, so that we will get a cost of one single pencil. Did you understand the question? Did you understand the answer? Sorry. I hope you understood. Okay, if you want, I can say it again. We don't want the value of pen and eraser. We only need the value of a pencil. Here, Hannah has bought one pencil. Katie has bought 3 pencils. So, by subtracting 1 from 3, we get the value of 2 pencils, right? So, again we will divide it by 2 so that we can find the value of a single pencil. So, the answer for this is $1.06. So, okay.
Wow, we are into the level 5. Shall we know the question? Yes. A bought 2 identical notebooks. She had $4 left over. If she wanted to buy 2 more notebooks like these, she would need $2 more than she started with. How much did one notebook cost? It's a quite easy question. Come on, let's know the options. Option A, $2. Option B, $6. Option C, $10. And option D, $3. Let's find out the answer. You can pause the video to find it out.
We have to find out how much is the one notebook cost. So, I hope you would have found out the answer, but if not, I will help you. Don't worry. So, he has bought 2 identical notebooks, right? And she is having only $4. But what if she wants to buy 2 more notebooks and she needs $2, again another $2 in order to purchase 2 more notebooks. So let's add that together. That is, we have $4 left over. Eve has $4 left over and she needs 2 more dollars in order to buy 2 more books, right? So when we add this, we get $6. So if Eve has $6, she could buy 2 books, right? Now let's divide 6 by 2 because we can buy 2 books using 6. So when we divide it, we can find out how much does a single book cost, right? So when I divided 6 by 2, we get 3. So one notebook costs $3. So the answer for this question is 3.
Level 6. Do you know where does this noise come from? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yes, it's the clock. We have a clock question. So the question says the time of the clock below is 1:30. What is the time when it was 2.5 hours ago? The options for this question is given as a picture below the question. You can take your time by pausing the video to find out the answer.
Okay, this question is quite simple. Still, I will explain this to you. What time will be when it is 2.5 hours ago? So the time given in this question is 1:30. So now we have to go back. Like we have to go back 2.5 hours ago. So let's go half an hour. From 1:30, when we go back half an hour, what will be the time? It will be 1 o'clock, right? And now we are going 2 hours back. Okay, from 1 we are going to 12 and 11. So the time is 11 o'clock, right? You get it? From 11, shall we go 2.5 hours ago to find whether it is 1:30? If it is 1:30, then we have done it correctly, right? From 11, we will go 1 hour ahead. What will be? It will be 12, right? From 11, 1 hour ahead will go to 12. From 12, 1 hour ahead will go to 1 o'clock. Now again, we have to move and half an hour. From 1 o'clock to we have reached 1:30. So this shows that from 1:30, if we move 2.5 hours ago, then we will find out the time was 11 o'clock. Okay?
Level 7. Do you all know pirates? Pirates go around the ocean in ship to find treasure. In this question, we have a pirate who has 2 chests. There are 10 coins in the left chest and other is empty. Starting tomorrow, the pirate will put 1 coin in the left chest and 2 coins in the other one every day. In how many days will the 2 chests have the same number of coins? The option for this question is option A 5, option B 12, option C 8, option D 10, option E never. To find out the answer, you can pause the video and take your own time.
The answer for this question is 10. 10 days after, both the boxes will have same number of coins, because the left box has 10 coins whereas the right box has 0 coins. From tomorrow, if the pirate put 2 coins in the 2 coins on the right box and 1 coin on the left, after 10 days, both the boxes will be equal. Yes, because it already has 10 coins. Now another 10 days, if the pirate put 1 coin each day, so that the left box will have 20 coins. Whereas the right box, which will have 20 coins in 10 days, by how is this possible? Because he puts 2 coins on the right hand side box, right? He puts 2 coins every day on the right hand side box. So after 10 days, both the box will have 20 coins each.
Level 8. The question says, if 2 dolls and 1 car cost $8 and 1 doll and 2 cars cost $7, how much does 3 dolls and 3 cars cost? The options are option A $15, option B $21, option C $14, option D $16, option E $24. You can pause the video to find out the answer, and we are 2 more levels to reach Elsa.
The answer for 8th question is 15.
Level 9. We all love birthdays, don't we? And we also love birthday parties, right? Here, Sarah's friend is celebrating her birthday, and Sarah spends $7.04 on a red tablecloth and $7 on a matching napkins. How much did Sarah spend in all? Find it out and let's go and help Elsa. Ho ho! We are into level 10. The question is, Emily and Harold decide to start their own babysitting business. Emily earned $7.72 babysitting for her cousin. Harold earned $6.57 babysitting for family friend. Altogether, how much money did they earn? You can pause the video to find the answer. And here we are near to help Elsa. Hey, finally we did it. We helped Elsa to overcome her fear and we made Anna and Elsa together again. Super kiddos, give yourself a good applause. I hope you did all the levels by yourself. If yes, then you are excellent. Okay, it's time to say bye. But don't worry, we will meet in the next game. Till then, take care. Bye bye.